and sound in the safety of your home. May the Almighty bless you and your family with showers of blessings. Last year was a challenging one, but we all emerged victorious. And finally, we are here ready with the opening day ceremony of 2021 to 22. It has been rightly quoted, the soul shall always stand ajar, ready to welcome the ecstatic experience. On behalf of our school, St. Vincent Paloti, I would like to extend my warm welcome to our chief guest, the Provincial Superior, Reverend Sister Lucy Thomas, the Manager, Reverend Sister Elizabeth Pina, the Principal, Reverend Sister Lavanya, the Primary in Charge, Reverend Sister Anila, Pre-Primary in Charge, Reverend Sister Divya, the Supervisor of Middle and High School, respected Miss Hina Ma'am, the Supervisor of Primary, respected Miss Afreen Ma'am, the Coordinator of Middle and High School, respected Miss Sabrina Ma'am, the Coordinator of Primary, respected Miss Shalini Ma'am, respected teachers, dear parents, my friends, and all the guests who are virtually present watching this event, a cheerful welcome to you all. It's back to school season like no other. School is beginning to reopen, following weeks of enforced closure. Despite the uncertainty about the end of pandemic, we must start planning the reopening of schools. Some people grumble that nights come with darkness, but it always reminds me of the bright twinkling stars. All that we need are optimistic eyes. With the same spirit, we came together for the reopening ceremony of St. Vincent Paloti School County.
One song can change a moment. One idea can change a world. One step can start a journey, but a prayer can change the impossible. Prayer is a way of thanking God for what He has given us. Let's pray and submit yourself and make a true statement in front of the Almighty.
Let
prayer. When I understood and accepted my own mistakes, I was consumed by my own life. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. So here, we proceed towards lamp lighting ceremony, which symbolizes divinity and sanctity. I request the management representative, Reverend Sister Elizabeth Pina, staff representative, Vidisha Ma'am, students representative, Pavan, office staff, Fusion Sir, and helping staff, Kalpana Didi, to join the lamp lighting ceremony. Thank you everyone.
Shoot for the moon, even if you miss, you will land among the stars. Now we are presenting the theme star. Let's watch presentation.
We are the star, we are the star, we are the star, we are the star. I messed up tonight, I lost another fight. I still messed up, but I'll just start again. I keep falling down, I keep on hitting the ground. I always get up now to see what's there. Birds don't just fly, they fall down and get up. Nobody lost without getting it wrong. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end. Then I'll start again. No, I wanna live, I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I wanna give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end. Then I'll start again. No, I wanna live, I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I wanna try even though I could fail. I wanna try even though I could fail.
road often lead to the beautiful destination.
Now, I invite our respected manager, Reverend Sister Elizabeth Pina, to declare the new academic year open 2021 to 22.
Everyone, dear respected Sister Lavanya, the principal, dear teachers, non-teaching staff, my dear children and parents. A great visionary, late Dr. Abdul Kalam, the former president of India, said, "Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. And knowledge makes you great. Knowledge will empower you. It will ennoble you. It will give a good character that you can build up your future with love and commitment." Here again I quote Dr. Abdul Kalam, "The 7 secrets of success that you may find in your room. Roof set, aim high. Fan set, be cool. Clock set, every minute is precious. Mirror set, reflect before you act. Window set, see the world. Calendar set, be up to date. Door set, push hard to achieve your goals." Dear students, I wish you an empowering and enriching academic year ahead. Share the struggles and dreams of your parents. Love your teachers and speak to them about your difficulties that you can pursue your goal without any compromise. This is my prayer for you. May every teacher become a mentor. May every classmate become a friend. And may every lesson teach and enrich you. Here is the best school for the best performance ever. Also, I take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to Sister Hilda, the outgoing manager, and Sister Greta, the outgoing principal of St. Vincent Pallotti School. They deserve our special appreciation as they guided the school during this turbulent time of COVID-19. May God bless them abundantly with good health and well-being. I would like to wish all the best to Sister Lavanya, the new principal, the committed team of teachers. Relying on the power and grace of God, let us begin this new academic year. On behalf of the management, I wish everyone a successful academic year 2021 and 22. May God bless us all. Thank you.
Sister, for a remarkable start of this academic year.
It's an honor to hear the message of our Provincial Superior, Reverend Sister Lucy Thomas, through a video presentation.
Reverend Sister Beena, the manager of the school, Reverend Sister Lavanya, the principal of the school, dear teachers, and my dear children, a warm good morning to all. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest, says Benjamin Franklin. A good beginning makes a big difference. Make sure you begin this academic year with new hopes and positive mindset to make it brighter chapter in your school life, full of knowledge and learning. It gives me immense pleasure to be here with you on the occasion of reopening of the new academic year 2021 to 2022. The pandemic has proved and tried us in many ways, as every new academic year promised an overall growth of the children and integrated development in academic excellence. One's personality is developed each day, not at a stretch. In schooling, every new academic year brings new hopes and new goals for life. After a relaxing, restful summer, you are back to start with a new vision and expectations. Another opportunity has opened door for you to enter and perform. It is the key to refuel, component to do great work in your studies. This year, you are presented with the theme STARS. In these stars, S stands for study, T for try, F for achieve, R for recognition, and S success. As this theme invites you, dear children, to become a brighter star with the hard work of study. Try and achieve your recognition and success. If you strive, surely you can win and attain success. Become a star of hard work. Be a star of change. Hold to be the star of positivity. Be a shining star in your studies, works, and above all in your behavior and personality development. Shine brightly with your abilities and talents, because each and everyone has the power to be a star. Let's shine in the sky of our school and create great impact of light and glitter. When you try to achieve, you will be satisfied in your work and studies. As you begin a new academic year, my wish and prayer is that the whole St. Vincent Pallotti School may work unitedly to achieve the goal for success. I wish you all the best, dear students and teachers. Beginning makes a lot of difference. So, always keep your beginning focused, optimistic, and full of dedication. Let us welcome this new year with new energies and new hopes. To experience new things and to learn you never knew before. May you make the best of this coming year with hard work and patience. Let's make the best investment of knowledge. All the best for the new academic year.
A wonderful message. You really made us feel that you are present among us. Thank you, sister.
Sometimes it takes one good message to bring back thousands of good memories. Let's put our hands together for Opal, who will add her treasured words to this event.
A very good morning to all the members of Palatine family. Gratitude is the fairest blossom which sings from the soul. I, Upal Gavde from 8B, presenting the words of gratitude on behalf of all the students. Education is a procedure of learning where knowledge, skills and habits move from one generation to another. Education is necessary for the growth of life for everyone. It helps the students to do analysis while making important decisions in life. What a student needs are the opportunities to contribute within as well as outside. Dear management and teachers, your never-ending dedication, optimism, and commitment have given us so much to look forward to this year. Words cannot fully express the depth of our gratitude to each and every one of you. But we, the students of Baroki School, promise you to shine like stars, to study, try, and achieve for recognition and success. Thank you with love and admiration.
A leader is one who lights the path to the impossible and take those who follow to the great heights. It is an injustice to proceed to the event without calling upon our great heights. It is an injustice to proceed to the event without calling upon our wings of lights. Our pillar of strength, our constant source of motivation. We cordially invite our principal, Reverend Sister Mary Lavanya, to deliver her message.
Good morning, everyone. This is really an unusual way to begin our academic year. Because of the pandemic, rather than a festive event that sometimes ended with a song and a dance, we are opening the academic year using a little technology and a lot of social distancing. Truth is, there isn't a lot of pomp today because of the circumstances. Yet, amid these horrors, I am proud to report that the good work has not been stopped here at SVPS Camty. Our students and staff continue to reach higher and continue to achieve more. Your strength and ability to persevere continue to fill me with awe and gratitude. St. Vincent Pallotti School Camty is a special place, and you are special people. We have been sorely challenged, but we have supported each other and risen above the challenges. Starting this year, we are working under a new strategic plan. Our goal is to transform the culture to enhance our students' experience by putting them first. The journey to becoming a student-centered school will have some bumps in the road, but it will be worth it, not just for our students, but for all of us here now and for all who will follow in our path. I know we can do this by working together with a single-minded focus on the success of our students. I want to wrap this up with some gratitude. When I say we are working towards becoming a student-centered, dear students, you are the ones who will help to ensure your success. And in turn, that success will benefit us all. Thank you for all you have already done and for what you will be doing as we begin another year of changing the world, one student at a time. Thank you. I am not very perfect in speaking Hindi. There will be some mistakes when I read out a message for the parents and the students. I hope you all will bear with me. So I have a small message for the parents and the students, especially to the parents, because it will be going out to the parents. Priya Abhibhavak, 2021-2022 के academic year में आपका स्वागत है. माता पिता के रूप में आप अपने बच्चे के लिए सर्वश्रेष्ठ चाहते हैं और हमें यह सुनिश्चित करने के लिए आपके साथ काम करने पर गर्व है कि उन्हें भविष्य की चुनौतियों का सामना करने के लिए सही ज्ञान दिया गया है। माता पिता, छात्रा और स्कूल के अधिकारी एक टीम है और हमें एक दूसरे के प्रयासों को पूरा करना है। सेंट विंसेंट पलोट स्कूल कैंपटी में हम CBSE द्वारा सुझाई गया एकेडमिक एंड नॉन एकेडमिक रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस शामिल करके अपने छात्रों के पूर्ण विकास पर ध्यान केंद्रित करते हैं। मुझे यकीन है कि इससे हमारे बच्चों को उनकी प्रतिभा को समझने और तलाशने में मदद मिलेगी। ऐसा करने के लिए माता पिता और स्कूल के अधिकारियों के छात्रों में कुछ मूल्यों के विकसित करने के लिए मिलकर काम करना चाहिए। बच्चों को बचपन से ही अच्छी ट्रेनिंग देनी चाहिए। हम यहाँ उसी के लिए हैं। मुझे विश्वास है कि आज कल के हमारे छात्र सेंट विंसेंट पलोट स्कूल कैंपटी में अपने हाथों में सौंप गया प्रेम और एकता के आदर्श वाक्यों को आगे बढ़ाएंगे। At the end, I wish everyone a happy and successful academic year 2021 and 2022. Thank you.
For the inspiring words that you deliver on this special day of our school. Your message was exactly what we needed to hear. Thank you, sister.
Thank you everyone. You are a wonderful audience and we hope that we have been a good host equally. I now call upon Aisha to propose a vote of thanks.
On behalf of St. Vincent Pallotti School County and the entire fraternity of the institution, first of all, extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's event a resounding success. With His blessings in place, we are able to make this event what it was. On behalf of my school, I extend a really hearty vote of thanks to our guest of honor, our manager, Reverend Sister Elizabeth Pina, who spent time from a busy schedule to grace the occasion. I am immensely thankful to our management for organizing this event in such a graceful manner. I also extend thanks to all the teachers for the enormous cooperation. First of all, finally, I would like to thank all my colleagues members who have gathered here today to mark this event.